Clarity, I am Ashwari. Are you watching my video for the first time? Please subscribe and share, comment, all those things, and press the bell icon near to it. In this video, I am going to contrast the military system of our country and the immune system of our body. How the immune system of a body protect the body from the invaders, microorganisms, pathogens, etc. Like that, our borders are under the observation 24/7 by our military forces. India, being one of the largest democracy, has great, extensive and large military force, strong defense force in the world. We India are blessed with the physical features such as the coastal lines from the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal, and the great Himalayas that stretch from the northwest and to the northeast helps or protect us from the invaders or the opposition and our neighboring countries. The military expenditure of different countries are, the first one is US. They are the main the expanding country, that is $716 billion dollars. And the UK, which is $56.9, Japan is $47 billion. Then the Republic China has $177 billion, and from 2013 to 14 statistics. And India is spending 4.1 trillion and $57 billion in 2019, and it is $62.71 billion in 2019 and 20.
संदेशे आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं, चिट्ठी पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सुना सुना है। संदेशे आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं, चिट्ठी आती है, वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सुना सुना।
Easy for the terrorists and the insurgent to attack our country, our great country. The Marcos or the Marine Commandos in India's most the lethal special force. It is also called as the Diwala Fauj. Para Commandos formed in 1966. Highly trained parachute. It is not easy for terrorists and the insurgent to attack our great country. Marcos or Marine Commandos in the India's most lethal special force. It is also called as the Diwala Fauj. Para Commandos formed in 1966, highly trained parachute regiment. The parachute units of Indian Navy are among the oldest airborne units in the world. Our country India is sharing its border with two countries, Pakistan and China. We are really suffering from this. We Indians are very decent in culture and our noble attitude towards our neighboring country. These countries are happy with their neighboring countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and all are happy when. And also, we are not going to invade any countries because we are Indians. So, even though we have immense power as well as capacity to invade the whole world as per our culture, we will not do it because we are Indians. We have thousands of Indian military forces that have lost Jawans, that they lost their lives for our nation. We lost soldiers several times. Some countries, thousands of Indian military jawans, that they have lost their lives for our nation. We have several times. Some countries we have lost several times. Some countries, our nation, and several intuition to our area and coached for several loads of great Jawan. Most of the time, the Indian side will keep a decent position against their enemy country. Then lot of family have lost their family members. Some have lost their son, or maybe a father, or maybe a uncle, or maybe a brother, or maybe the pregnant wife's husband. But now we are well equipped with highly sophisticated weapons in land, air and water, indigenous and imported, and from other powers in the world like US, Russia, France, Israel and so on. Let me say some quotes of Indian Army. A true soldier fights not because he fights, he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. And also, the army of sheep led by a lion will always win. Army of lion led by a sheep. Either I will come back after hosting the tricolor, or I will be wrapped in it. But I will be back for sure. It's my nature to be kind, gentle and human. But remember, when it comes to the matter of protecting my country and my people, fear me, from I am also the most deadliest man, which is powerful and intention. So there are a lot of films that based on the military, and there are a lot of producers and directors who have spent a lot of money for big budget military films. We have to see that films that is must, because it is realistic and it's an original situation that happened in our country. As a citizen of a country, we have to see these and have to be keep in contact with our military forces, our safeguards, and also the nationalism. We can develop our nationalism by seeing these films and loyalty towards our country. They are the real suffering of a military man, and they are without, irrespective of thinking about their family, they're sacrificing their life for the country. So always respect and protect their life and our family.
രാജ്യത്തിൻ സായുജം നാളിൽ ചേർക്കാം ഒരു കളമാച്ചിൻ ഗീതം ഇരുവരും സ്വപ്നം ഒരു രാജ്യത്തിൻ സായുജം